What if I told you your thoughts aren't just thoughts, they are spells and you have been casting them wrong? They told you magic isn't real, but they were wrong. The most powerful magic in the world is sitting quietly inside your head. Your mind can heal, harm, protect, attract. And most people go their whole life never realizing they have been broadcasting spells through their subconscious every single day. In this video, I will show you how to activate the magic with my MAG method, a 3-step process to align your energy fast, plus a free tool called the H.A.T.S method that turns fear into power. You can access it through the link in the description. Stay with me till the end for a 60-second test that will show you what your mind is really broadcasting right now. Let's talk about the real problem now. You have read the books, you have done the journaling, the vision boards, the breath work, but one sharp glance from someone, one moment of doubt, and your confidence disappears. Why? Because you haven't trained your field yet. Your field is the invisible energy your nervous system broadcasts through posture, micro expressions, and subconscious beliefs. And it is 10x more powerful than your words. This is what people pick up on without knowing it. It sets the tone before you even speak. And when you control it, you stop leaking energy. You start radiating power. You attract instead of chase. Now let's break this down. Quick and clean. When you think of something you love, your body gains strength. When you think of fear or shame, your resistance drops. That's not a mindset shift. It is a measurable nervous system response. Emotions you haven't processed become part of your default signal. You may speak confidence, but your body broadcasts caution. And people respond to that hidden frequency, not your words. That is why I built the MAG method. And before I teach it to you, know this, there are deeper tools too. I have included the H.A.T.S method below, a framework that helps you convert hidden emotional triggers into momentum. It is free and it works. Links in the description, don't miss it. Now let's activate the field using the MAG method. M, monitor your mental state. Before you walk into anything, pause. Ask, what's the background noise in my head right now? Because that's what people are feeling from you. A, activate a power memory. Close your eyes, recall a moment you felt clear, strong, undeniable. Hold it for 30 seconds until your breath and posture match. One of my employees used this before a client presentation. He walked in calm, got the deal in 24 hours. G, ground and glow. Visualize a calm, protective energy around you. Not to fight anyone, not to impress anyone, just to remind yourself you are already aligned. You don't absorb what doesn't belong to you. Now, let's test what you are really broadcasting. This is called the thought mirror test. Grab a pen and paper. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Choose an affirmation like, I am calm and confident. Close your eyes and repeat that silently for 1 minute. Now, after you do that, write and write fast. Whatever thoughts come to your mind for 30 seconds. Don't edit, don't analyze. Now, read what you wrote. If it contradicts the affirmation, that's your field. That's the signal you are putting out. And once you are aware of it, you can shift it. And inside Foundation X, we go deep into this. You will learn how to reprogram your thoughts to positively affect the field, install high performance beliefs, and train your subconscious to attract the life that already fits you. It is not motivation, it is reconditioning, and the link is in the description. Before you go, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, subscribe, and comment below what came up in your thought mirror test. I read every one of them. Let me leave you with this. Your words don't shape your future, your field does. And remember, monitor, activate, ground. Do this daily and your life shifts. I'll see you soon. Take charge.